guys, my name's Max. Welcome to my cooking show. It's a beautiful day today and I'm going to show you how to enjoy a cider. It's technically a cocktail. Make sure you have a glass in the freezer. Boom, step one. Step two is your cider. Make sure it's a nice dry cider and also make sure it's not one of these funky, weird ones, you know? So, it's this simple. Crack your cider. Cider Bitters. We're gonna float this on top. Throw a fuckload in there. That's it. Enjoy. So good. So, this works really well. You can taste cloves in this. You can taste, I find I can taste cardamom in it as well. And orange. These are the notes that I taste a lot of. And I find those flavors work really well off of cider, just apples in general. Dry cider, lots of Cider Bitters floated on top. And that's how you enjoy cider.